Judges, stand by for recording. Yeah. Okay, so recording in 15 seconds. Oh no.
But it isn't.
Huh?
The island.
Okay, roll to record. And then okay.
Start.
Start. Oh. Start the clock.
Okay, so Diamond, remember, just quickly remind them that they stand at the back of the stage until you cue them again.
Recording in 30 seconds.
Okay.
I've got
Stand by with the ident. And ident. 15 seconds.
And the mic's up, Josh.
10,
Yep.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Cut to 1.
2, 1.
Cue presenter.
So we're here in the studio today to talk about what to wear throughout the winter months when
Okay,
going
keep working
clubbing.
out, Jack.
And I'm
Camera
with
3, set up ready.
gorgeous
You're
girls
going
from
to do the
Bournemouth
tilt
University
bounce.
today, Georgia and Sarah, and they're going to show us what they've put together. So first up we have
Cue the
Georgia.
music.
Okay, music. Okay, and cut camera 3, and cut to 3. Yeah. Tilt down, Chris. That's it. Come in on 3. Come into camera 1. And cut. Walk forward, please, now. Okay, right. Come in on 1. Come into camera 3.
Thank you very much, Georgia.
Thank
You
you.
look gorgeous today.
Thank you.
Okay,
So,
and
how are you doing?
3.
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm
Track
fine, thank you
down
for
now,
asking.
Chris.
So do you want to just take us through your outfit today? So where you've got
Slow on
the
that, mate. Slow it down a bit. That's it.
Okay, well this dress is from Fusion. It's £10, I
Keep
think.
working down. Keep
And
going down to
these shoes are
shoes.
from Primark.
Shoes.
They're £4.
Nice bargain
Go
there.
Yeah.
£14
Right,
for
on
all
3,
outfit.
come
Can't
into
go
camera
wrong.
2.
Exactly.
And come
So,
into
you know,
cut to
as you know, the main feature
Track
of today's
round,
show is
Kaylee.
about dressing to go out in
Little
the
pants,
winter.
that's
And
it,
obviously
it's
girls
nice.
have a problem of
Looks
wanting
good.
to bring their jacket
Okay,
out or not.
on
because
2,
it's
we're
cold
going to come
outside,
to
but
camera 1.
warm
2
inside and
shot.
don't really want to be carrying it around or
Cut.
hassle with the cloak and stuff.
Yeah.
So what
Okay, right,
what
that's
advice
it.
would you give
Camera
to the girls?
3's ready.
How would you
Come into
tell
camera
them to
3.
wear something like that?
And
Well,
cut.
this material is really handy because it's
Work down
velvet,
the
so
arm.
it's really warm. So then when you go like out and about, you don't
Come
really
back in.
need like
That's it.
a
Right, come
jacket or
into
anything
camera
because you've got the
2.
warmth with it. But then
And
obviously the problem is
cut.
when you're in a club, it's going to get hot
Yeah.
for an endeavour. But because it's shoulderless,
Okay,
you get
Diamond,
the
get her off now.
cool
Bit of
side.
ventilation.
Yeah, a little
Okay,
bit
come
of
back to
breathing
camera
space.
Okay,
So.
well, thank you very much. You look very lovely today.
Thank you.
We're just going to see what Sarah's got.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
thank you.
Okay, now we're going to see what Sarah's got to wear.
Okay, cue Sarah. Okay, camera 3 and 3. Back down. Keep going. Keep going.
There's 1 minute left.
Keep going. And cue Sarah to walk forward. Come to camera 1. Right. So, on the 2 shot, right. Jack, yeah, not Jack, sorry. Chris, try and get her close to the necklace.
Nice, Sarah. Thank you. I love your dress. Very nice colour.
Closer than that,
Okay,
mate.
so
Try and get it right
as
in.
we're going to be with Georgia, do you want to just tell us
Yeah,
where you
close
got your
to the
outfit
gut.
from?
Yep,
Alright.
the dress is a quantum dress.
Yeah,
It's £45,
yeah,
and these
camera
are faith boots. They're also
3.
£45.
Very nice. I love the boot details. Very
Right,
good. And like, you know, you've got
Jack,
the little
can you
heel
get
there
the
as
full,
well.
can you get
30
Sarah's full
seconds.
body in, please?
Like that, and you look very
Camera 2 next.
comfortable. So,
And cut to 2.
today's feature of the show is
Slow
dressing
track
for
round,
the winter
Kaylee,
months. So
please.
what advice would you give to the girls?
Oh yeah, it's crying, sorry,
Why
sorry.
would
Yeah.
you suggest to wear a dress like this?
That's
Well,
it,
it's
right,
very
we're going to come to
thick
camera
lightweight
1.
material,
Camera
so
1's got a bit more
15
leg
seconds
on Sarah.
It's got some sleeves, as you can coverage on the shoulders,
That's
but it's on
it.
the dresses.
Right, yeah, come
10,
to,
Not do
come to
so
1.
it's
9,
stuffy.
8,
Right, wrap it
So
up,
you've got
Diamond.
boots, which also gives some coverage on the legs.
Come back
and
to
arms.
4,
Okay, thank you very much. It's a gorgeous
Right,
outfit. I
two,
love everything
now,
you put
one,
together. It's very
two.
nice. Thank you very much, Sarah.
Okay, walk off. And then we'll, yeah, exit. And then we'll leave it there and...
Okay, so big thank you to all our gorgeous girls today, and I hope what they were showing you today did help, and you'll be able to go out clubbing in the winter months, feeling very nice and
Right,
warm.
stop
and
recording. Cut.
comfy.